The teenage is the most overwhelming phase of one's life, and to add skincare to that makes it just more complicated. Hi, this is Dr. Shimoni Kadakia, a dermatologist from Skin Vibe Clinic, practicing in Mumbai since the last 13 years. Today I'm going to be talking about skincare in teenagers. Now, why skincare in teenagers is so important? Is just the new kid on the block, or is there more to that? Let's find out. So, teenage skin has essentially three properties. One is that it tends to be oily, it tends to be more exposed to pollution and outdoor exposure. And the number three is that there is a lot of hormonal changes that one undergoes in this phase of life. So to understand these three parameters and to work accordingly to improve your skincare is the goal. First of all, cleansing becomes the most important step in your skincare. So make sure you're using a right gentle cleanser, which is preferably soap free or preferably having the same pH as that of your skin. Secondly, depending on your skin type, you could choose other active face washes. Something like, if you have very oily skin, then go for salicylic acid based face washes. If you have a dry skin, go for hyaluronic acid or lactic acid based face washes. But for that, you must understand your skin type or go to your dermatologist for an evaluation. The second essential step is using a very light moisturizer, which could be gel based or lotion based, so as to avoid clogging your pores and not having a lot of heavy layer on your skin. And the third and the most important is not to forget sunscreen. These are the three basic steps that you can start as your daily skincare routine. Now, when should one start skincare in your teens? Well, there's no particular age, but the earlier you start, the better. Once you start, make sure you're consistent with it and address the skincare concerns if you have any, along with this routine that you can maintain. So, the parents of teens, you have to be accommodative to the fact that the teens are very conscious and are very aware at this age. So we must help them, encourage them and make them into a habit of skincare, because that's going to take them a long way. If you like this video and you find this helpful, please share it ahead with the people who you think will need this, and keep inspiring others with your skincare routine. Thank you.